Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don meet with private school operators for the state to collaborate with the state government efforts to increase the quality of education and improving learning outcomes across schools for the state. The closed-door meeting with private school operators shele for Government House, Benin City. After the closed door, Edo State Commissioner for Education, Joanne Oselviawe, come talk say Edo State Governor don give better business opportunity for small and medium-scale enterprise, including private schools, and say after the governor lis ten to concerns and issues wey dem raise and discuss, they can't come up with agreement wey the governor come task the proprietors to submit to the Directorate of Quality Assurance list of their members before they go start to discuss or talk about different issues wey dem raise. She come still talk say dem wan know the numbers of their members wey dey register for Edo State, those wey dey provide ogbonge education, those wey no meet with the standard but dey willing to improve, and those wey no really get business to dey provide education sake of say dem dey substandard to provide ogbonge education, and say this matter affect the 18 local government for the state.
We are here with members of the three private school proprietors association in Edo State. The members wrote to His Excellency requesting for a meeting, and we are just coming out of that meeting now. His Excellency Governor Obaseki reiterated the Edo State government's commitment and to providing a thriving business environment for small and medium-scale enterprises, including private schools. So His Excellency listened to the concerns and issues they raised, and we all discussed and then came up with agreement. The immediate task on the part of the proprietors is to submit to the Directorate of Quality Assurance, Educational Quality and Accountability, a list of their members. So before we even start talking about the various issues, we even want to know, benchmark, who are their members? Who are those that are registered in Edo State? Who are those that are providing, as at now, standard quality education? And then who are those that may not be meeting the standard, but they are willing to improve? And then who are those that really have no business providing education because the quality is so substandard. So that's what that was what we discussed today, and the three associations have promised His Excellency that by this Friday they will submit a list of their members.
Edo State Chairman National Association of Proprietors of Private Schools (NAPS), Lemmy Russell, come talk say dem don agree to work with the Edo State Ministry of Education and Directorate of Quality Assurance, and say dem go work as team.
Came out of a meeting with the Excellency. We have agreed to work together with the Ministry of Education, together with the Directorate of Quality Assurance. And it is our hope that we'll work perfectly well together as a team.
Associations wey tanda for the meeting na Association of Private School Owners of Nigeria (APSON), Association for Forbidable Educational Development (AFED), and National Association of Proprietors of Private School (NAPS). Make una no forget say, as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Pelumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.